Welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. I'm a little sick today. My throat is quite sore and I'm stuffy, but nonetheless I'm going to try to get a few things recorded so that I don't have to worry about it later in the week or even the month. So today is Hypnotica's Everyday Bun, which I've been meaning to do for a while. I'm really coming towards the end of my project to record all of the long hair community forum hairstyles, so I'm sure there's still a few here and there that I'm missing or didn't find the instructions for or forgot about, but I've got a very solid library now, so it's pretty much coming towards a close, and this is one of the ones that was on that list. So, being an everyday bun, it's nice and simple. It starts out, it's a lot like a nautilus. So you do your twist like a nautilus and open up that loop. Now instead of twisting this around, you're just going to pull this directly over. And then stick a hair fork through it. Ow! Toys on the ground. So, hair fork through the middle of that and around, and then tuck in whatever ends are left, and that's it. Fast and simple. So let me take a picture of that and then move on to the next style. Oh, I didn't end up recording any more videos, and I'm not exactly sure what's going to be happening this week. I have developed more symptoms, including a fever and body aches, so I am going to be getting a COVID test, and I'm wearing a mask in my house to try to reduce exposure to my 2-year-old. So, we'll see what happens for Thursday's video.